Look how long. Hair is long, girl. Hey, it's your girl Angel K, and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial using the new Sensational half up, half down unit. And I'm so excited to use this. I got this in the color, what color is this? T4 Ash Blonde. So we're going to be trying to show you this look today. And as you can see, it comes with 4 different looks that you can choose from. So I'm just going to do the regular half up, half down. But you can definitely try out these other looks if you want. You can do just the half wig. You have a low pony and then also a high ponytail look as well. It's saved up to 350 and 400 degrees, so you can use heat on this if you want. So this is the Ash Blonde ponytail, and the color is very nice. Has a nice ombre to it. And it comes with this piece to wrap around the base of the ponytail, as well as a comb for your hair. This is the half wig. Let's take off this net so you can see. So here's the hair. It's very, very soft, very nice color, and it has this wave to it. It's very long. This is gonna come pretty long. It's to my waist, so this is probably almost 24 inches maybe. I'll say this is 24. It's coming, no, this got like 26. This is longer than, it's coming past my waist, so it's got to be at least 26 inches. Now here's the construction of the half wig. It does have 2 combs at the top and then the comb at the bottom, and it also comes with this drawstring if you want to pull it and make it tighter. So I detangled all of my hair and twisted it, that way it'll be easier to work with. It's already sectioned. I'm just going to take the twist from this side and stretch it over and pin it down. Alright, and do the same here. We're going to take these and stretch over to this side.
Because I'm not sure what else to do. We're going to make it work though. Alright, put that down.
Now my hair is nice and flat in the back. And here comes the wig cap. Take 3.
Let's loosen this up first. You don't want your body pins too tight because it's going to hurt you. Alright. Much better. Alright.
Got it down. Time for the half wig.
Alright, we got that comb in. Now we're putting in the bottom combs. And I like to push it up into my hair. I try not to get it on my little hair in the back, but push it into the thicker hair that's back there. And now we're pulling the drawstring. Pulling it.
And it feels secure. And now when you look in the back, it's not so bulky. Alright, now moving on to this hair up here. I did not want to use heat, so that's why I just twisted my hair in order to stretch it. So now we're going to take these twists out. My hair is still wet, but it's still going to work. It's okay. We're going to take out these twists. And my hair has been detangled already. And I'm just going to put my hair into a ponytail and start the base of the ponytail. I'm not going to tie it tight. We're just going to put it up and start applying gel. I'm going to be using this Got2b. I like the black one for ponytails and slick styles. So we're going to just take a bunch of that, put it all over. And then you want to get a hard brush and start brushing your hair down. Now we're going to take this scrunchie out, and we're slicking the hair, So yeah, and I have 4C hair, so I slicked my hair down pretty easily just by using this. So now we're going to take our hair and try to put it in a tight ponytail, which I'm not the greatest at. Might have to use some bobby pins. Alright. So I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit more gel. And now I'm gonna take the Style Factor and start doing my baby hairs, adolescent hairs, whatever is going on here, full grown adult hairs, 401k hairs. You gotta work with what you got. Try to do a little baby swoop or something. Just a little. I only like to do these 2 pieces right here. Just a little baby swoop. And even if you just take some of this and put it on the rest of your hair, it'll really slick it down. Because you know that edge factor, style factor, whatever, that will have your edges licked down like that. So we're just going to take a little bit and slick down the rest of our hair. You already know if you have 4C hair, you got to put about 3 or 4 gels on your hair just to make it lay down. So we're going to use these 2 for now. Alright, and we're going to slick this down. Take out this hair tie again. Alright, scrunchie stay getting stuck. I don't like hair ties for this reason. Alright, it's out. I'm not gonna use that one. Let's try this one. Because it's gotta be slick. And it's so hard for me to do that sometimes. Because these hair ties is not. Alright, grab it, grab the hair, grab it, grab it. Oh no. I think it's already too loose. Y'all, I'm struggling. Alright, we got a bun going. We got a bun. And of course, all my texture is out. Instead of staying slicked down, the texture is out. It's gonna be calling me out. Like, that's not her hair. Alright, so we're just gonna take these bobby pins to pin down this hair and that bun. Take those. And just 2 maybe, just to slick down this hair because it did not want to stay down. See, so you're gonna lay it down and pin it. I pin it like this, the ponytail, and we're just gonna push it up into the hair. And yeah, now we've got one side secured, and we're just gonna try to secure at least this middle piece, just to kind of make sure it's up good in there. Alright, so now you got this section here that they gave you, and you're going to wrap it around the ponytail and make sure it covers up the base. I think we are done. Wow. Can't tell me nothing with this hair. And the back is cute. Wow. I mean, oh wait, I need that scarf. Alright, so I'm gonna lay my hair down and come back. Even with the scarf, it looked cute. Even with the scarf. Let me show you how long this hair is though. Look, Don't mind the pants, but look how long. Look how long. Hair is long. How long it is, it comes past my butt. So it's very long, but it's cute. And you know I had to put on a nice shirt with the pajama pants because there's nowhere to go. Dressed up with nowhere to go. All right, this is the finished look. I love it so much. And this hair is very affordable. I think I got it for it was either $25 or $30. I'll put it on a screen and I'll try to put the link down below. It might be sold out by now, but if it isn't, the link will be down below. And you definitely need to get your hands on this. Acting different. I don't know. Y'all shouldn't have let me buy this blonde, because they say that blondes have more fun and all that, so I'm having fun inside my house. But thank you for watching, and tune into the next video. I'm gonna be dropping some heat on y'all because I have nothing else to do.